Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to use Calgary cross count append inside Alteryx. So here you can see this is the SSMS and this is the Calgary database files. So here this is the city is the common columns and rows are Cody and here you can see reverted somewhere. So this 2% inside here on the Calgary database files reverted and the Cody. So I want to do some joining with these tools and I will do some counting. So let's open the Alteryx designer. So first here let's drag input data and going to use SSMS. Already have the connection, not going to create one. And let's select this item. Now you can see this is the city, double click on it and here star click on OK. So now next is I'm going to use Calgary and cross count append. So what the cross count append? So find the count sets values from the incoming data stream that occur in the Calgary database file. So it will do the counting operation that too. Now hereafter let's stabilize the link and here select the files. So pet store that I'm going to use. So cydb, the Calgary database file is there. Now hereafter the next is join city, we need to select and this we need to do the blanking because city has these values. So here you can see this is city, not city ID. So only matching is the city. So here this is that's come from SSMS. You can see city ID and city country ID last update. That's come from SSMS. Now here this come from Calgary database files. So here you can see this is the Calgary city state zip and here this on. So it's coming from the Calgary database files. So select this city. Now you can use the exact string begin. So let's use string begin and there is no any problem with this. And there is one more thing. So I wanna do some displaying some of the records. So we need to use the browse. So stabilize the link and run the workflow. So here I'm getting some kind of error message because I did not specify any query. So here this is the by default create single cross and insert, and we need to give on the cross count. Click on this and double click on the city because I do the operation on the city. Now hereafter let's rerun once again. There is no any problem with this workflow and now you can see here this is the records. So that's come from the SSMS city and this is the that's come from here that's come from Calgary database file. So Calgary database files Cody and Powell and reverted, that's all matching, so that it's counting 111. So that's why we are using here this Calgary cross count. So count the set of values from the incoming. So this is the incoming and that occur in the Calgary database file. So this is the Calgary database file. So if that match, then that will do some counting. If not match, then that 0. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.